Who is Christopher Columbus?
Christopher Columbus helped the merchants from Africa to go to India, because at first the merchants had to cross the desert to India, and that's too hot. So Christopher Columbus found a way to go to China, go to India easily. They sailed to India. That's an easy way
Mm-hmm.
because it's not hot.
Mm.
But it didn't go well because there are bandits and guards that they have to face. So Christopher Columbus made another way. He made a map and showed it to the King of Portugal. And he also showed it to Queen Isabel. And Queen Isabel liked his... Queen Isabella was amazed by his work. So Queen Isabella gave him 3 boats. The 3 boats had a name. The first boat's name is Nina, and the second boat's name is Pinta,
Mm.
and the third boat is Santa Maria.
Mm.
He used these boats to test his route, but the scientists laughed at him because the ocean is bigger,
Mm-hmm.
and the goods for India will spoil.
Mm.
So Christopher Columbus and his men sailed to India, but they were on the ocean for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
His men was complaining because they're thirsty and hungry.
Mm-hmm.
But then they saw an island, and when they went there are people that speak different language. They only have cloth, thread, and other food,
Mm.
and they don't have gold.
Mm-mm.
That's it.
Mm, okay.